Hello everyone, my name is Myiesha and I'm a beauty director here at Sephora.
And it's Jeffrey here, also a beauty director, and we're talking about the March Play by Sephora box, and the theme is Wild Beauty. We're getting in touch with our wild side this month, and we're pouncing on makeup, skincare, and hair care favorites that are sure to rule the beauty jungle.
So as always, there are multiple versions of each box every single month. So you won't be getting every single thing that we talk about today, but you will be getting selections based off of your Play profile.
So I think we should jump right into makeup, shall we? We're getting in touch with our wild side this month and pouncing.
So we're going to jump right into our makeup products. So first up from Tarte, this is the Sequence Hydrating Primer, and this is also exclusive to Sephora. That's always really nice. So this has tons of great stuff in it. It has some antioxidants that are derived from algae, because you know they're all about that sea, rainforest, these sort of ingredients. It has hyaluronic acid, which is great for hydrating the skin for all skin types. It has this really nice lotiony texture, which I very much appreciate as someone who's oily, and it smells like coconuts.
Tropical.
And yeah, it's just an overall great primer. It'll help to smooth the appearance of any texture or lines and wrinkles, things like that. I feel like pretty much any skin type I would use this primer on. It sort of blends in this to the skin and sort of dissipates. You don't really feel anything except a smooth feeling.
I feel like any kind of water-based primer like this is really great for going into the skin, filling it up with moisture so that it looks nice and smooth to the touch, and your foundation just glides on effortlessly.
Yeah.
Definitely harnessing the power of the sea. You know, I love that, especially since we're on theme of wild beauty. So next up from NARS, we have the Power Matte Lip Pigment, and this is in the shade Star Woman. And it's a beautiful, vibrant blue-red shade that brightens any smile. I'm obsessed with the texture because it's velvety matte and glides on effortlessly. You can see it's full color in one swipe, which I love. And then that dries down to like a velvety matte texture that's going to be long wearing and really flexes with the lip.
Yeah.
It's really comfortable wear.
It's comfortable to wear when you smile. It moves with you. But I just love this formula because I feel like it looks more editorial and fresh when it's creamier.
Yes. So if you're on the quest for that elusive red lip, then this one's for you. Did you like that? Elusive.
So from Laura Mercier, we have the Caviar Stick Eyeshadow Pencil in Metallic Taupe. I use these in my kit. I've seen these in your kit, and they're just beautiful to use. So it's a long-lasting cream eyeshadow. You can apply it and sort of sheer it down. You can put it on and have it a little bit more pigmented, but wherever you sort of decide to apply it or how you want to apply it, it's going to stay put all day. You can wear it by itself and just kind of blend it on with your fingers or a synthetic brush. Or like I did, I kind of put it over some dark shadows because I wanted my smoky eye to have a little bit of pop of sort of metallic sheen to it. You can use it underneath your eyes, sort of like a very subtle smoky liner situation.
Yeah, and what I love most about it is it's great for beginners because you have a lot of playtime with the formula. It doesn't dry too fast.
Yeah,
so you can
it's
blend
not a
really
race
easily.
against the clock. I remember I didn't even know that it dried down completely because it just gave me so much time to blend. I didn't have to worry about accidentally not blending the corners or anything like that. It's very, very easy to use.
Gorgeous. So this next product is going to be perfect for your feline flick or cat eye. This is from Stila, and it's the Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Intense Black. Now, it's got a gorgeous felt tip that glides an ultra black pigment on effortlessly. You can see how smooth it glides. Then you can use it for like a thick line or a thin line, which is awesome for beginners.
Yeah, and I find too, I've had many of these over the years, and the tip never frays. Sometimes like eyeliners can get a little wonky at the end, but it stays just as sharp from day one until you finish it.
And anything with the Stay All Day label, you know that it's not going to smudge, there's no feathering, and it's going to last. So this is a really great formula.
Okay, we're going to jump right into skincare. So first up from Glam Glow, we have the Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in Nude Glow. This is beautiful. I keep this in my kit, especially this size. It's so convenient. So you can wear this alone. Maybe if I just want glowing skin, I don't want to wear foundation. It mixes well into moisturizers or tinted moisturizers, foundations, BB creams, whatever you want to do, and it gives you this incredible glow. There's several shades of this, but I find this medium one just kind of works for everybody. Any shade works for any skin tone. It has some shea butter, some jojoba oil, and also some ceramides. And ceramides are really great at protecting that moisture barrier of the skin. So
Yeah, I love that you
really
mentioned that
nice.
you can wear it alone or under foundation, because then, you know, if you put it under foundation, it gives you sort of that lit,
glow.
yeah, that lit from within effect, which is really, really nice.
So let's talk about the elephant in the room. I feel like everyone knows about Drunk Elephant. It's just
For
so
sure.
good. Everyone has a favorite from Drunk Elephant. This is the Lala Retro Whipped Moisturizer with ceramides, and it's exclusive to Sephora. It has an incredible whipped texture, of course, and I know you felt this a million times, but we're going to do it again. It
Yeah,
has
it's
this
so
very buttery texture. It's nice and thick in the jar, but it feels very lightweight. I'm very oily, but I can still wear this during the day if I want to. It has some really incredible, rare African oils in it that just gives it a really great emollient, and it's just a nice moisturizer, I feel, for all skin types.
And because all of those oils are sort of whipped together, literally whipped, you get that lighter than air texture, which I know that, you know, a lot of skin types really love. So this is great to apply before your foundation because it also helps to kind of leave the skin really supple and smooth, which is nice. So next up from Fresh, we have the Sugar Mint Rush Freshening Lip Treatment. Now this is a really beautiful silky balm that hydrates the lips with nourishing oils. And when you apply it, and press your lips together, you get like a really minty rush, which is nice. It's very fresh, and so I could imagine keeping this in your desk for a midday
Pick me
Yeah,
up, or
yeah.
like maybe you like had something for lunch. Kind of just gives you that fresh, minty
feeling. Yeah, I love that. And you know it's part of the Fresh Sugar Lip family, so I can predict it's going to be a cult classic pretty soon. So these next products are really designed to style and tame the mane. So let's jump into some hair care, shall we? So from Amika, this is the Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. Now this is a really lightweight texturizing spray that's salt-free. So it gives you kind of that beachy look and helps to build a long-lasting volume that's matte in the hair, which is really cool. So if you're looking for that fresh back from the beach look, this product's for you. So next up from Dry Bar, we have the Detox Clear Invisible Dry Shampoo. Now this is part of the Detox Dry Shampoo family, so this is the clear option. This is infused with potato starch, which absorbs excess oil and odor in the hair and leaves a lightweight texture. So this is really great to keep in my kit for when a model comes in and she has maybe next day hair, didn't get a chance to wash before the shoot. I love it for a quick touch-up.
So lastly from Way, we have the leave-in conditioner. And I think aside from deep conditioner, leave-in conditioner is definitely the secret to very healthy hair. So you can use this in many different ways. It's great to put in your hair before you heat style. It's great to put in your hair before you just even do like braids or putting it in a bun. It's going to give it some flexibility so there's less breakage. It's also really nice as a primer to whatever style you're going to do. If you want to refresh your hair, maybe you went running or to the gym or something and you feel like all the moisture's kind of drained out, just spritz them in. So it has this really nice sort of lotiony, like gel moisturizer texture. I have coarser hair, but I still prefer my leave-in conditioner to sort of be lightweight so that as I'm building my products, my hair still has some texture and it still has some body to it. I feel like no matter your hair type, you're really going to enjoy this texture. So we have some bonuses this month. So first up, from Yves Saint Laurent, we have Black Opium. From Versace, we have Bright Crystal. And from Moschino Toy 2.
There's also Dolce & Gabbana, the only one, Eau de Parfum. From Maison Margiela, we have Replica Music Festival. From Marc Jacobs Fragrances, we have Daisy. From Bulgari, we have Omnia Crystalline.
So remember, you have your playbook, which has information about all the products we talked about today, plus some fun tips and tricks, as well as your play bag, which is reusable, recyclable, and travel friendly.
Now, as always, we're pretty social here at Sephora, and we want to hear you sound off in the comments which products you're going to love to try this month. And if you do any unboxing videos, be sure to tag us at #SephoraPlay. Until next time, stay wild!
This is 302 pickup. Take one. Common marker.
So this next product is going to be perfect. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous.
Looks like a gummy bear now.
It does. I like a Sour Patch Kid.
Let's talk about the elephant in the room.
Yeah. Now it's also infused. It's infused. Come on. Come on. Lots of energy, just like me.